Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background from images using Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically I have these images here. So I have this Apple image and we want like to remove the background from it. And basically for that we will be needing like just to use some AI tools or that Filmora is provided so we can remove the background. And from here you can simply like click on uh, the image, and from here you will find like colors, images, and from here you can find the mask, animation, and AI tools. So basically here you have just a stylizer, and it will just like add chroma and some other stuff, and you will have like the AI portrait cutout, and this one will cut your own object. That means it will remove the background, and there is also the smart cutout, and this one will uh, know the real object, or it will find your subjects and then it will isolate it from your image. You can also find your tools from here. So you will find AI color palette, AI matching tool, and from here you can just use AI portrait cutout. And from here you will need just to wait for the AI tool to be used, and then you will not just wait until the process finish and you will have the final result. And make sure always like to select your image so you can make sure that you are on the image. And basically in this case it is like just an apple and it's not a real subject like a human, etc. So we can try like with the AI portrait cutout, and this is the method. You can just use as you can see, you can now like have the edges, and you can like have more control on, and here you can like decrease the edges, etc. Otherwise you can just use a smart cutout if you'd like, and you might have like a better performance for this. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.